The dawn of a new era in astronomy has begun as the world gets its first look at the full capabilities of NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, a partnership with ESA, European Space Agency, and CSA, Canadian Space Agency. The telescope's first full-color images and spectroscopic data were released during a television broadcast at 10:30 a.m. on Tuesday, July 12, 2022, from NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center in Greenbelt, Maryland. These first images from the world's largest and most powerful space telescope demonstrate Webb at its full power, ready to begin its mission to unfold the infrared universe. This landscape of mountains and valleys speckled with glittering stars is actually the edge of a nearby young star-forming region called NGC 3324 in the Carina Nebula. Captured in infrared light by NASA's James Webb telescope, this image reveals for the first time previously invisible areas of starbirth. Called the cosmic cliffs, Webb's seemingly three-dimensional picture looks like craggy mountains on a moonlit evening. In reality, it is the edge of the giant gaseous cavity within NGC 3324, and the tallest peaks in this image are about 7 light-years high. The cavernous area has been carved from the nebula by the intense ultraviolet radiation and stellar winds from extremely massive, hot young stars located in the center. Stephan's Quintet, a visual group of 5 galaxies, is best known for being prominently featured in the holiday classic film It's a Wonderful Life. Today, NASA's James Webb Space Telescope reveals Stephan's Quintet in a new light. This enormous mosaic is Webb's largest image to date, covering about 1/5 of the moon's diameter. It contains over 150 million pixels and is constructed from almost 1,000 separate image files. The information from Webb provides new insights into how galactic interactions may have driven galaxy evolution in the early universe. With its powerful infrared vision and extremely high spatial resolution, Webb shows never-before-seen detail in this galaxy group. Sparkling clusters of millions of young stars and starburst regions of fresh starbirth grace the image. Sweeping tails of gas, dust, and stars are being pulled from several of the galaxies due to gravitational interactions. Most dramatically, Webb captures huge shock waves as one of the galaxies, NGC 7318b, smashes through the cluster. 2 cameras aboard Webb captured the latest image of this planetary nebula. Cataloged as NGC 3132 and known informally as the Southern Ring Nebula, it is approximately 2,500 light-years away. Webb will allow astronomers to dig into many more specifics about planetary nebula like this one, clouds of gas and dust expelled by dying stars. Understanding which molecules are present and where they lie throughout the shells of gas and dust will help researchers refine their knowledge of these objects. NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has captured the distinct signature of water, along with evidence for clouds and haze, in the atmosphere surrounding a hot, puffy gas giant planet orbiting a distant sun-like star. The observation, which reveals the presence of specific gas molecules based on tiny decreases in the brightness of precise colors of light, is the most detailed of its kind to date, demonstrating Webb's unprecedented ability to analyze atmospheres hundreds of light-years away. While the Hubble Space Telescope has analyzed numerous exoplanet atmospheres over the past 2 decades, capturing the first clear detection of water in 2013, Webb's immediate and more detailed observation marks a giant leap forward in the quest to characterize potentially habitable planets beyond Earth. NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has produced the deepest and sharpest infrared image of the distant universe to date, known as Webb's first deep field. This image of galaxy cluster SMACS 0723 is overflowing with detail. Thousands of galaxies, including the faintest objects ever observed in the infrared, have appeared in Webb's view for the first time. This slice of the vast universe covers a patch of sky approximately the size of a grain of sand held at arm's length by someone on the ground. And check out my other videos by clicking here or here.